It's cotton candy cloud.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I'm rocking right now, so if you guys are interested then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today's video is being brought to you guys by Besthairbuy, and I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox it. And while I unbox it, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys about the unit. I did lose my outro because my mic was not on, so yeah, let's just go ahead and jump right in. Today I have the Kinky Curly in 20 inches, and as you guys can see, the hair is very beautiful, and they also sent out some goodies such as headbands and wig caps and things like that. So let's jump right into the construction. It is the standard construction of a headband wig. It does come with the elastic band with the velcro back, and then it comes with 3 combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. So here I'm just trying on the unit for you guys so you guys can see how it looks like straight out of the box. I am going to go in and wash it. And as you guys can see, this unit is a 20 inch and it is true to length, but as you guys know, shrinkage with curly hair can cause it to look like maybe it's about 16 to 18 inches. Now I'm just going to go ahead and try out one of the headbands that they sent. Their headbands is really nice. So at this point I have went in and washed and conditioned the hair and defined the curls, and I was satisfied with this, so I didn't add any more products. Plus the styling that I'm going to do is pretty basic and simple, but all I did was go in and wash and condition it and define the curls. I'm also using a different headband because I was wearing a solid color, so I wanted something that was printed. And as far as shedding and tangling with the hair, I did experience normal shedding and tangling with this hair. It wasn't anything that was too bad, and the hair was really soft and it did detangle very easily, so I am very impressed with the quality of this hair. And now I'm just going in with styling. I took out a few bangs, and then now I'm going in with like a large headband type of ponytail holder because this is curly hair, so it does have a lot of hair on it. But overall, this hair is really pretty, and I would definitely recommend it. I'll have all links in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. And I'll see you fabulous girls in the next video. Bye.